Hey everyone, this is Amazaman and you are watching Amazaman Official. In today's video we are gonna discuss a simple and important topic in the LaTeX, that is how to make number or bulletless in the LaTeX. So for this you need to memorize just only two commands for numbering. The first one is that is bring slash begin brackets enumerate in the brackets. This is for the numbering. You just simply apply this command slash begin enumerate and put here item that you want. Let's suppose the first one. I will write again item. This is the command. Second item and item item third, let's suppose. And now I want to build this, and you will see the result that here the numbering will appear, the first, second and third. Here is the numbering, first, second and third. Now if you need bullet form and bullet list in the LaTeX, so you just simply put the second command, that is slash begin and brackets itemize. So just write slash item, and let's suppose this is the fifth item, again slash item, and the sixth item, again slash item, and the seventh one. And here is the result of the commands. The first one slash begin enumerate for the numbering, and the second one slash begin itemization is for the bullet list. Now if you want to put something in the sections or subsections here, so you will put after the first item you click enter and put a command that again the same command slash begin enumerate, and I want to write here, let's suppose physics, and here is the result. In the sections, section A, it is given by itself, and now I want to write something else in this section, so I can apply the same command again here, slash item, and let's suppose my name Ahmad Zaman, and here is the result, A and B in the next sections. Now if you want to write something by your own numbering, so you will just simply put here slash item and the next one, that is this bracket, the square bracket, and you will put here, let's suppose I am writing the charge, that is plus Q, let's suppose, and I want to write here electron. So you can see here the result that I number this electron plus Q choice. So you can number anything by your own choice in the LaTeX. Now if you want to write something in the itemization, so you can apply the same command, that is slash begin and the brackets itemize, and you can put here section. Let's suppose I write here section, sorry I forget the slash item in the start, and you will see the result now. You can see here in the first one in the numbering list, this is the sections A, B and plus Q. The plus Q sign is by my own wish, and in the bullet list you can see here is the section, that is the line simply before the section. So you can apply the two command, that is slash begin enumerate and slash begin itemize for the numbering and for the bullet list. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.